So once you have a piece thrown like this vase, you can leave it as a basic form like this. You can define the form and break down the components of the rim to the body to the later on the foot ring that you create. So first I'm going to use my metal rib and make a line to define the separation of the rim to the rest of the piece. And I'm also using the metal rib curved side to flare it out for this shape. Now you can decide based on your glazing, you can leave this smooth as you trim it. You can also adjust things, like if it's going in and out a little bit, take a bigger rib and just put it against the side, and you're watching right here away from you, you can fix the curve. So a lot of times you'll see things as you're throwing, you'll see it doing a little bit more of a shimmy or a little bit dancing. Then when you stop it, it usually isn't as defined. It's still a little bit right here. So I'm going to go ahead and push that out. So once you have the form defined, now you can actually have a little more fun with it. One of the things I like to do with a metal rib is make a wave pattern. So I'll take this rib, push it inside, and then wiggle the rib as we go up. And it will create a pattern all the way up, like wave system. And the glaze will show that. You can also alter the piece some more, like what I'm going to do right now is I stick my finger into the side, and then now I've created almost like a little bit of a mini tornado effect on there. So you can see, so when I glaze this will show and define with the glaze the different layering and the movement of that shadow. Now one last step, once I'm done with that, then I go back to the top. I can leave it smooth like I'm doing, but I like to, since I've loosened up the rest of the form, I'm going to go ahead and loosen up the top too. So I'm going to take my thumbs and compress and stretch a little bit. And now this is more like a vase that somebody has acted on versus something that's store-bought.